Big serious sketch try today. So I was trying to sketch the old granddaughter there, and I thought I'd go real serious and first map out all the proportions, which I sort of did. It was in the time lapse, was not really noticeable. Then I started committing to details, and then more details, and then I thought, well, the mouth was in the wrong place, but so I erased the mouth and carefully sketched in the mouth, and mindful of all these subtle changes in skin tone value, and then so here I thought I was done, but then I thought, oh no, the right eye looks like too big. First I thought the left eye was messed up, but then determined it was the right eye, so I erased the most of the top of the right eye and attempted to refine the position a bit, and get the area right there, and I guess it looks a little bit better, but then in the final moments I realized that the mouth is actually too far from the nose, so I decided to hang it up at this point. Even so, it came out a lot better than I expected. So there we go. Oh, and the eyebrow was like too high, so I made the eyebrow lower. So anyway, not bad, but not good.